I'm going to show you how to fix your TikTok notifications not showing. So on your iPhone, there's two ways we could do this. So go ahead, first of all, to your settings. So go ahead to your settings, and you want to scroll down to where it says apps. And let's just make this easy and just go ahead and type in TikTok. And from here, you have a lot of settings and access things that you can manage from this point forward, but you want to go down to notifications. If the notifications toggle is off, go ahead and allow notifications. This is going to give you the option to have these pop up, and you can obviously go through and customize how they come up on your actual phone. The next thing we could do is come out of your settings, and we're going to go find the TikTok app here. So let's go ahead and find it on our phone here, and you want to go down to your profile to the bottom right hand corner, and then go to the three lines at the top right corner. And then go ahead to settings and privacy, and then go down to notifications. You want to make sure that all of these are toggled on. Your in-app notifications are also turned on. That will bring you to your iPhone settings. So just make sure that these are all turned on how you like them. You can always go back and turn some of these off so you don't get all these different kinds of notifications. So it's totally up to you, and it's very customizable. But that's it. Those two things should be able to have your notifications showing on your iPhone like normal.